everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for Fairy Tale from How I Like It. It is this look, obviously, right here. I am obsessed with it. Like, I was not going to film another video tonight, but I just might, just so I can have a moment with this look, because it is just so beautiful. I have not done a look like this. To me, what feels like forever. In reality, it hasn't been that long, but to me, it feels like it's been forever. I love the way this turned out. Even though there were some bumps in the road, I still love it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and give this video a big thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get into the video. We're going to be using pressed pigments today. So we are going to take my old trusty Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. I love this primer, but if you are new to my channel, this is one of my favorite primers of all time. This hair back here is not wanting to cooperate, so just ignore it. But one of my favorites, and I find that it works amazing with pressed pigments. So Hazel, don't touch the tripod. Hey, 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 hey. No. Hazel, no, no. Hazel, no, 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 no. 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 All right, you can sit there, but you cannot play with the tripod, okay? That's a very expensive camera, and I will be very upset if you break it, okay? Okay, now that we're on the same page, I'm sorry if you randomly start swaying. So we are taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3 today. It is gorgeous. It's one with butterflies. And this is what the palette looks like if you have not seen it. Let's see if I can get the whole thing in frame. There you go. This look, I want it to be very, very warm and very, very just delicious. So let's start with A3, which is this one right here. I'm gonna put that in my crease as my transition color. Like I said, I want this look to be very, very warm. Oh, this is way orange. Orangier. What it looks like in the pan. That is a gorgeous color. It's definitely more orange than what it looks like in the pan, but it's still very, very pretty. It's just way warmer than what I was anticipating, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but you may not be aware. So just thought I would share because it's not what I was expecting it to look like, but that's okay. All right, so now I'm going to take C3, which is this one. And I'm gonna put that in my crease to deepen it up just a little bit. I'm not gonna pick up as much. All right, then we're gonna take D1, which is this one right here. I'm gonna put that in our crease as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna take D5, which is this one right here. I'm gonna put that on my lid. E2, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna put that on the outer edge just a little bit. Hazel, she's sitting like right underneath me on the table, and like every time I go to put something down or pick something up, she's smacking it like she's right now. So we are gonna try this out again. I tried it before in one of my videos, and I wasn't the biggest fan, and I have not touched it since. And I wanna try it out because I wanna know if I like it or not. This is the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Gel Eyeliner in the shade Black Ink. I am not the best at gel liner. I will admit that right now. You guys will see that's a fact. And I've only used this once, and I did not care for it. So I'm gonna try it again and see if I like it better. And I'm gonna zoom you out a little bit because I move around a lot when I do eyeliner, and I know this is okay, so it's kind of doing the same thing again. On the mattes, it's working beautifully, but the second I get to the shimmer, it's separating. And kind of going a little bit everywhere. Definitely not as bad as when I used it with a pressed glitter. But I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but like right in here, it's separating really, really bad. But on the mattes, it looks excellent. But now that there's like shimmer on my brush, I don't know how well it's going to perform on this eye. So I'm just hoping that everything kind of comes together and I can get it as close as even as possible. I am gonna wear falsies today, so if not, it's not a huge deal. But I'm iffy on this liner. I do like that it's very, very creamy. That is something I do really, really like. A lot of my gel liners I've tried in the past have been really, really stiff. I do not like the Maybelline one at all. I think it's too stiff for me, but too dry. But this one's really pretty. I do like how I can get a pretty decent line. I just marked my face. It's fine. But yeah, I'm iffy on it. I prefer liquid liner for sure. But it's okay. We're gonna attempt to do the other eye now. Okay, so what I was afraid of happened. Wings, nowhere near even. This one's so much better. But yeah, I am not the biggest fan of the Bobbi Brown gel liner. Maybe I'm just not a fan of gel. Like, I think that's just might be what it is. I got it for a free gift from Sephora with my points, so I'm not super bummed about it because I didn't personally buy it, but I don't like how it goes on over top of shimmers. It made it really, really difficult to get it black and even, and I just don't love it. I think I might keep it for like a black base for those type of looks, but other than that, I would not use this again as a liquid liner. I'm just not a fan of it. I'm so upset about it because this is the only product I've ever tried by Bobbi Brown, but I'm not a fan. So we're just gonna move on from that, I guess, because what else are we gonna do? So now I'm going to moisturize, and I'm going to take the Lubriderm Daily Moisturizer. This is something I use all the time. You guys know that. Love this product. I'm gonna Okay, so now we're gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is in the shade Swan. I love this foundation. It's very full coverage, which is why I chose it today. I also chose it today because it is relatively new to me. Now we're going to take the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Fair Warm, and we're gonna use that for our concealer today. Take the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I've been testing this out recently and I quite like it. So we are going to go ahead and contour with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is the mini. I didn't get the big one because I didn't know if I would like it, but I do like it. I don't use it too often, I would say. I use my e.l.f. contour palette more. So bronzer, we're going to take my old reliable. This is the Laura Geller Baked Body Frosting All Over Face and Body Glow in the shade Tahitian Glow. This is one of my favorite all-time products. I've used it forever and I love it. This is a bronzer that I continuously go back to. The Burt's Bees blush in the shade Toasted Cinnamon. This is one of my current obsessions. I really like this color. It's really unique for me. I quite like it. And just, I'm gonna pop it really right on the direct apple of my cheek and just barely blend back. I'm using an Alamar brush. I don't talk about the brushes I use because like 99% of them are not labeled. So I just kind of use whatever I have. And I'm gonna take the Coty Airspun Loose Face Highlighter in Snow Much Ice. I've been using this recently. It's really, really nice. I quite like it. It's really affordable, but it's definitely not for everybody. So yeah, I've just been using it a lot recently. I really like the way it looks on my skin. probably today I probably should use something else because I'm so burnt out, but you know what? We're here. I'm gonna make both sides match. For the under eyes, I'm going to take the shade E2, which is the one we used to deepen up the outer edge. I'm gonna take that on this brush. This is one of the Storybook Cosmetics brushes that have been discontinued, but I love this brush. There's like 5 billion brushes that look exactly like this, but this is just the one that I'm using. But these are the Sephora Lit Up lashes. These are part of their Lash Stories. I love these lashes. They're like my favorites to work with, to wear. And I just ripped the box, which is very frustrating to me. What is this? This is the first one I grabbed. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte. This is a black eyeliner. I like this eyeliner, so I'm glad I picked this one up. I really like the way this look turned out. I was going to do a like berry lip because I think it would just make the lids like pop, but I almost want to do red, but I just did a red lip. I don't know, so many options. I really want to wear this color though. I think I'm gonna wear it. This is the Milani matte lipstick in the shade Flirty. I love this color and I hardly ever get a chance to wear it, so I'm gonna wear it today. Look how gorgeous that color is. And it looks gorgeous with this look. I'm so happy I chose it. It is so pretty. I love it. I had like, I'm just so glad this look turned out the way it did. And it's so pretty. All right, everyone, and that is it for Fairy Tale. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel before you leave. Hit my notification bell so you know when I upload every single Tuesday and Thursday. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.